I'm Dr. Angus Tran. I'm Medical AI Director at Harrison AI. Harrison AI is clinician-led teams that partners with world-leading health providers to build innovative artificial intelligence technology that improve patient care, making it better, faster, and cheaper. So the technology that really gave the name to Harrison AI was in the field of IVF, which came about when I was going through medical school. And I was doing my pediatric rotation when I met Dr. Simon Cook from Virtus Health, one of the Australia titans in healthcare industry. So this is a world-leading IVF group, and together with Dr. Simon Cook, we has built the technology to select IVF embryos using time-lapse technology to predict which embryo would make a baby. So this process has initially started out as a university research project, but given the great result, we eventually move on to develop the technology further. So the difference between the IV technology created by Harrison AI and existing methodology in selecting embryo was that our solution looked at the entire time-lapse video, so 5-day-long films of a human embryo developing in a test tube to make our predictions of what is the chance of that baby creating a pregnancy, versus most solutions would look at only a few pictures during the day. At the same time, our solution also predicts the target, which is what we care about here, is the fetal heart pregnancy rather than a proxy score. So that is the main difference of our solutions. As an early stage technology development companies, there's very long horizon for success, especially in the space of health tech and healthcare, because there's no concept of MVP in healthcare as you would imagine. So there's a long tail of challenges that need to be tackled, like regulatory approval, technology developments, and validating your technology works in the clinic. So this long journey requires a substantial investment from both the public sectors and the private sectors to allow this technology to mature to a point where it can benefit patients in daily care. And fortunately enough for us, we achieved product market fit quite early in our journey and was able to use that to fund our growth, and now have a well-established team and go tackle multiple other verticals. The collaboration together with Virtus Health, an Australian publicly listed company, has been vital to the success of the IV product. And this has come from multiple angles. So initially through the clinical exposure. So as a clinician, I spent a lot of time with the clinical team at Virtus to understand what are the challenges that they face every day and how technology like artificial intelligence can empower them to do their work safer, better, and cheaper. But at the same time, the close working relationship between Harrison AI and Virtus has allowed rapid prototyping and developments and improvement of the technology to a point where it became a world-beating technology. Once we have the technology that works, Virtus was a perfect place to test the technology in real clinical practice. So coming to Australia as an international student, I always wanted to get into technology space. But eventually I was lucky enough to meet Paul Ramsey, who you might know as the founder of Ramsey Healthcare, who has mentored me and inspired me to do medicine because he believed that I can help people through medicine. So that was one of the fortune of my life, to be able to be inspired by Australian titans in industry and get me the motivations and the belief that I can do it and go out and tackle this challenge.